Howdy! Welcome to wet Lancashire. God, it's wet. Right. There's a bit of a debate regarding the VSRs. When they're connected, obviously it's connected to your starter battery and also to your leisure batteries. I'm watching somebody on YouTube and they showed that when the engine's off, the VSR is still energised. So is it possible that your starter battery is taking something away? How are you doing? Have you got something for me? Have you got something?
Else up van here, so when I've gone round I'll be back on.
Right, I appreciate it, thank you. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, where were we? I forgot where we were now. Yeah, it is possible that is the starter battery taking power from your leisure batteries. If they're connected and it's starting up, then surely it must be. I'm having problems with mine. I mean, I'm looking at it now, it's 12.4, which is ridiculous, you know, anyway, but I've got a charger anyway. Right, so I've decided to put a switch on the VSR, but do it through the earth. There's a gentleman called George, gentleman, all right, George. Yeah, Cumbrian George on the Talbot Owners Club forum. And he's pretty clued up on stuff like this. Anyway, like I say, he's recommended just do it through the earth, make a break in the earth. You know, it's just a regular switch. Then that is on, and the engine's not running. So that means it's possible that the battery under the bonnet is actually dragging power. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, do you agree? Right. So we need to stop this happening. Basically, the VSR itself needs to be turned off. I was going to put a switch here, but that means it's still going to get power from the starter battery. So the only way to do it, which is a good idea, thanks again George, is to use the earth, put a switch on the earth. Right, I have a slight problem there because I only have a tiny earth, because it goes into this here connector box. So I don't know what I'm going to do, I'll be honest with you, because I either want to put the switch up there, then it's easy accessible, you know, to turn it on and off, or put it on the dash. On the dash should be ideal, but where do I go with cables? So I'm thinking of putting it, there's a switch there that's doing note. I just thought it'd be handy. I've even gone and got myself some wire, look, anyway. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the engine, energise the VSR, and we'll see if I turn the engine off, if it's still energised. There we are. It's energised because the engine's running. Right. While the engine's running, that's on. The batteries is showing 14.1. Obviously because it's getting charged, isn't it? You know what I mean? Right. If I turn the engine off, it's still energised, and it'll stay like that for a good hour, easy, more longer. Right, so what I've done this is my earth. So I've took the earth, put it through a block. Now this wire here goes all the way down here, goes down there, under the foot plate there, up there, to a switch. Hang on, where are we? There. That orange one. That. So, as I say now, it's still energised. Right, all I need to do now is flick it off. There. So therefore now, my starter battery is not connected to my leisure battery. Problem solved. And not only that, if it's energised and you start your battery, surely when you start it, it's drawing power from your leisure batteries. So it's a case of, the idea of the switch is turn it off, keep the energizer off, the VSR off, until you've started your battery, and then you're not drawing anything from your leisure batteries. Now whether that's going to work, I don't know.